What's up, YouTube? Quick video. What's the deal with Carhartt seat covers? They have two different kinds, and I'll put everything linked down below. It'll take you right there, so check out the links. They have one kind that's just a universal cover, and it's one piece, and it slips over the whole seat. It kind of stops halfway down the back. It comes in more colors than these. It has more of a universal fit, so they're not going to be custom to your vehicle, make and model. And they also don't have a back pocket. So there's pros and cons. They're both going to be quality seat covers compared to some of the cheaper options that you'll find. These are the seat savers, right, by Covercraft. So these come with separate headrest covers. Okay, it's just one piece, Velcro, slips over, and then got your holes in the top. This is the gravel gray. They have the Carhartt brown, gravel gray, and then they have black. These do come with a seat back pocket, which is nice. It's not super deep, 9 by 16. Everything attaches with Velcro. The skirt that goes around the bottom has some bungee material, some elastic. And then depending on your make and model, like this one, for example, has a cutout for the seat position buttons and lever, What's also nice is sort of inside the seat cover here are these two wrapped, they feel like pool noodle pieces that will actually shove into the, between the seat cushion and the back. It keeps the seat part from moving out. So that's a nice touch. And this is the kind I have here. These, for example, are for 2011 to 2014 Toyota 4Runner. I don't have one of those 4Runners, so I just picked these up because I think they'll work totally fine. I have a 3rd gen 4Runner, and then I have an 8th gen Corolla. I'm going to try them on both, and they should fit, decently enough. I'm not too picky on like a perfectly formed fit. Triple stitched, so everything's bound. These honestly are going to last forever. They have a rain defender coating on them, I think. They repel water. If you can sew or hand sew, like in the event that you do actually get like a rip or something, or you cut it accidentally, like you can hand sew this stuff back up. In my opinion, I think these are going to last forever. Another thing I wanted to mention is that, they call these duck material. This is actually pretty much Cordura nylon. This is 100% nylon. This is not cotton like the pants, so more durable. Let's see, these are made in Mexico, and you can hand wash, you can machine wash, gentle cycle, air dry. I washed them last night on low in the dryer, and I don't have any problems. Let me show you the seat covers on both of the cars that I have right now, and I'll show you just how to install them and what they look like. Be right back. First things first, I want the seat rests out, and we're gonna wrap them. Super easy, just one piece and one Velcro. So here's the front, here's the back. You just look at the stitching, you can tell. Get it lined up. Everything's supposed to be snug, so you don't want to try to fix them when it's already on there. So you get the idea. I'll be back when I got them wrapped. Hold on. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for me. Bring it around, obviously. And you're done. So I'll give you two different shots. I'll give you one fit on the 3rd gen 4Runner, and then I'll give you one fit on the 8th gen Corolla. So I have them pretty much installed here. I can do a little bit more smoothing, but I can say that they definitely fit on the 3rd gen 4Runner seats. I think they look really sweet. Let me know in the comments. Let me get set up, and I will actually film myself putting them on the Corolla, so I'll be right back. I just like to bring the seat up a little bit and then open up the gap between the seat and the back. That's where we're gonna shove those foam holders. It takes some fussing and fighting, especially because these aren't specifically made for these seats, but they're gonna work. Once I get my holes lined up on the top, I just throw the headrest in, so I'm lined up. Sort of bend in the sides, bend in the foam. That'll help you get them on. Push one in, push the other one in, and sort of you can even them out, split the difference. You're just gonna pop them all the way through. Get the idea. I'm gonna finish popping those in with 2 hands, and like I was saying, you got elastic to slip over the front, and then on each side of the front you have these wings with the male part of the Velcro, and those are gonna come around to the back, okay? And they're going to hook onto the female patch of Velcro in the back. You can see how nice they fit, nice and tight. Here's your pocket. These actually ended up matching the original interior pretty well. Pretty pleased. So let me get these attached real quick, and I'll show you the final product. Here's the one side, passenger side, finished product. Honestly, they fit way better than I was hoping. They're nice and tight. I ended up just running it behind the lever, so I'll give that a shot for now. Yeah, coming around the back here. You can tuck in things, make it really doll it up, but just really perfect fit. Nice pocket. The Velcro comes around and just boom, done. It's very simple. There's no cords. There's no tying anything up. This stuff seems really durable, but nothing lasts forever, right? So if like patches of Velcro rip off or you get a seam that comes undone, like if you know how to hand sew, you can just take some thick nylon bonded thread. You can sew these things back up. You're not going to have any problem repairing these, especially if you have a sewing machine, you know, that can do Cordura. That's the deal with the Carhartt seat covers. Take a seat here.
That's nice.
Here's a close-up of the fabric. See what you're dealing with? Good stuff. It's an investment, but it's totally worth it, in my opinion.
Pay a little extra, get something nice.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. Leave a comment, leave a like, and check out the links. See ya.